Welcome back to my channel, and this is Eugene again. If this is your first time being on my channel, trust me, you have missed a lot. But anyway, you are here today, so I want you to do us a favor and yourself a favor. Subscribe to this YouTube channel because you have a lot to learn. And in today's topic, I'm talking about AI, how you can be able to effectively use AI to increase your productivity, create great digital products, and make a lot of money selling them without the hustle of you writing everything from scratch and, avoiding burnout. So basically, this is how you can use AI to increase your productivity. I want you, first of all, to understand that AI is not here to replace you. I don't think AI is going to replace a lot of jobs in the near future, even though it's out here and so many people are afraid that AI is going to take their jobs. I want you to understand that you can only use AI for your advantage. You don't need to be scared if you know what you're doing and you are great at what you do. AI is only going to help you increase your productivity. And this applies to selling digital products. This applies to creating digital products and marketing. And this is what this video is about today. So let's first of all talk about using AI to create digital products. I want you to first of all understand that if you want to start creating digital products, ask AI to kind of give you the draft that you need. All right. So great draft that we have a great structure. Now, what you do is you take the structure and add examples, like real-time examples, case studies, and the structure that you have in these drafts. All right. You make it more robust, and get people to understand that this is what you have created, even though AI will give you that structure you make it better and enhance it and have real-time examples and case studies that you will pack in that. So this is what you can first of all do with AI using AI to create digital products. Do not make the mistake of thinking you can just use AI to create everything you want to say online. At some point, you will not be able to relate to, real examples. People will feel like they are not getting the value from what they pay you, and that is going to affect your sales. So use AI to draft whatever you're going to create, but make sure you add your own human touch and make that product more valuable, more interesting, and more clear for people to be able to buy and use it. Now, when it comes to marketing, this is where you can use AI even more effectively. So you can use AI to create, for example, ad copies. And of course, you don't just pick or use what AI has given you. You have to refine almost everything AI has done. All right. So you will use that ad copy, for example, refine it so it will, in a way and align with your goal, and also make it easier for your audience to kind of understand and see that truly this is coming from a human. At the same time, you'll be able to add some layers that will make it look real, and people will be able to, relate to that. And of course, become your customers if you write a good, ad copy. Plus, you can be able to use AI to research about a particular audience that you want to target, what will appeal to them. These are the ways you can be able to use AI to kind of, enhance your marketing, because understanding your audience, understanding the type of keywords, for example, or key phrases to use in any ad copy is also going to help you write better ad copies. You can ask AI to write great targeted ad copies that we align to what your audience are looking for or are searching. That is definitely going to help you. So basically, what I wanted you to understand in this video is that AI is not going to replace you, it's only here to kind of enhance what you do, increase your productivity, make your work easier and better. And this is what you have to do when it comes to selling digital products or marketing digital products online. Again, when it comes to writing your pages, you can use AI to write great hooks, like really great hooks that you can use on your landing pages that we kind of relate to people that land on that landing page within a short period of time. They will understand what your product is offering, the solution your product is offering, and who exactly that product is for. All right. These are the ways you can use AI plus so many other ways. And I will cover this more in other videos. But just know that AI is not here to replace you. AI is here just to enhance your work and increase your productivity when it comes to creating digital product and marketing digital product across all platforms. All right. So again, if this is your first time, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and check Resale Rights Empire, where you can be able to get great quality products. We have collected over 1,300 great digital products. This includes video courses, this includes audiobooks, it includes ebooks, and includes, website templates and so many other things that you can be able to use to master almost any skill and then turn around and resell these products for profit. And you can keep 100% of that. That's what Resale Rights Empire offer. And do not forget to check that and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.